As a society, we make it, spend it, waste it, lose it. Find it, invest it, give it, and earn it. What is it? I have had a request to make some videos on money. So I'll start by sharing my personal beliefs on money. Money is a resource. Money is a tool to create wealth and a tool to help those who need it the most. Money gives you options. The more money you have, the more options you have. The less money you have, the less options you have. Money magnifies what you already are. If you're a jerk and you become rich, now you're just a rich jerk. That's the truth. I believe everyone should become a millionaire, not for the money, but for who you become to make that money. I have been completely broke before, and I can agree that money won't make you happy. And as Zig Ziglar said, it ranks right up there with oxygen. Are you open to having a good, honest discussion about money? If so, when it comes to money, what are your personal beliefs? Leave me a comment letting me know below. Also, as it relates to money, what other topics would you like me to cover in future videos? If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you think someone else would benefit from hearing this video, please share it with them. Subscribe to get my latest videos. My name is Ryan Celestine, and this has been your Motivating Minute.